Reefapalooza was in full swing this past weekend, and I was there to check it out firsthand. And my first stop was with Hydor to check out Aqamai, the Internet of Tanks.
What's up, everyone? I'm here at Reefapalooza 2017, here with Brian from Hydor, and he's going to tell us about some of the new products that you guys have released or have coming out.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the first show that we've actually have live product of the new brand that we're introducing, the Aqamai brand, which is part of the Hydor group. So Aqamai is our new Wi-Fi enabled products. Aqamai is part of the Internet of Tanks for the Hydor group. So the first product that we've got introduced is the KPS. It's our small circulation pump. It's running right here in the aquarium. It's 1,050 gallon per hour. Visually, it's similar to koralia in that it's magnet and suction cup mounted. But out of the box, it is completely Wi-Fi. So that means plug it in, hook it up, download the app on your Apple or Android device, and you've got full controllability of it from your tablet or phone. You can do simple on-off surges, different wave functions. You also have the ability to do programming of the pump within 30-minute intervals. So that means if you want to emulate, what's going on in nature or your lifestyle or whatever it might be, you could have a small wave come out through the course of the night, have the pump react through a sunrise situation, and then through the course of the day you can do multiple different wave functions, feeding modes, the nighttime modes, again, whatever it might be, down to 30-minute intervals in your setting. We've tried to make it as universal as possible and as user-friendly to program as possible. It's just easy to pull out your phone and to do that easy programming, or I like the tablet because it's just a little bit visually larger to do that on. The app itself is not mutually exclusive, so one pump per app. You can run multiple pumps using the same app. If you want to tie those pumps together, you can very easily do that so they can run the same waves. Or if you want to have each pump doing its own separate thing, you certainly can program it that way as well. So I can just walk you through some of the different functions of it. Your most basic function would be a solid constant flow rate. It's your minimum, your maximum set point, and then on the bottom here, how fast or slow it goes between each set point. Smoothly, so it'll smoothly go up, and smoothly go back down between the two set points. Random is a nice mode, so it might go from your 0 to 85% in this case in 2.5 seconds, and it might go back at 250 milliseconds, and then it might come back to you again at 1.5 seconds, or it's random. A feeding mode and then nighttime mode, so you can set those here. But most people, like I said, will run this in we'll run this in the programming of it. So you go down to your program. This is just a program that we had set. So if you want to go through a list of different programs that you've got, you can go here. You can make changes to the program, and this will bring up, again, your full calendar, or full 24-hour day period, and it breaks it down into the 30-minute intervals. So in just a second here, it populates. So you can see that we've got just some constant flow going. We've got some random flow rates through the course of the show. But let's just say we want to make some changes. We want to delete out a couple of sections here. Let's just start at whatever time we've got. Let's say we want to do a feeding mode. We want to change our feeding mode. So when we feed, we'll do a 20% flow output for a 10-minute period. And save it. We want to do maybe a random mode. We'll change the parameters of our random mode. So it goes from 20 to 60% output. And then if we want to populate a few other times during the day, you can just drop and drag that down. Again, you can just maybe feed again. Again, whatever the program is, whatever's going to make suit your needs. Just change that nighttime mode to 50% output. And then when you hit the check mark, it saves that program that you've got. It saves it right to the drivers that are built into the pump. And then when you run whatever program it might be, just click on the program. It sends it to the drivers, and then we'll get back into to that program.
Great, and I noticed it's all color coded.
Absolutely, we just try and again, make it as user friendly to operate as possible.
Very cool. Is there any like logging in at all, or is it all straight to the device, to the pump?
Each pump has its own unique Wi-Fi signal that it sends out. So when you hook up the pump for the first time, it is password based. You can use our generic password, or you can create your own passwords if you want to protect it a little bit. Once you're in, you can just simply have the unit talk to your device, and you'll have control of it as far as the device will send out the signal. And everybody's situation might be a little different depending on, concrete walls in the home or that kind of thing. It does default if you want to hook it up to your home router, so that way you've got basic cloud-based, so you can operate it wherever in the world you might be. You can turn your pumps on or off, change the program, do whatever you might need to do.
Very cool. And a lot of controllability here at Hydor at Reefapalooza 2017. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure. Thanks.
The Hydor group looks to have a nice user-friendly way to control not only their pumps, but lighting as well. Now the light fixture is not available yet, but you will be able to control the fixture by selecting your colors using the warmer controls on the left and the cooler controls on the right. And you'll be able to change the intensity by using the sliders on either side of the color selections. You're also able to set lighting programs, and there's even presets that mimic the sun from the Hawaiian Islands, for example, and you can even have it mimic clouds passing overhead. Aqamai, which is Hawaiian for smart, cool, and intelligent, is a lineup of aquarium smart devices that's real easy to use and has a ton of customizable features. Over the next few days and weeks, I will be sharing more of my time at Reefapalooza Orlando. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and be sure to click that subscribe button to be notified every time I post a new video. Leave me a like and comment down below if you have any questions at all, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.